Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today is our live stream at 2/24/2018. Let's get right into the charts, guys. Remember, if you're new to the room, punch in a symbol and we'll go over it. But right now, guys, the Qs are dumping, the IWMs at the lows, the DIA's trying to hold, and the SPY's starting to dump as well. We're getting a nice sell-off today. Our Q puts are up 100% as we speak. We entered the position yesterday on some Q puts, and we're looking to get out today. I don't care. I'll take the 100% and say thank you very much, and on to the next trade. Let's see here, guys. If you're new, I'm going to do a test here just to make sure everything's coming through. Can you hear me fine and all that good stuff? But what a day on Wall Street, guys. What a nice flush. I'm going to tell my members here, we're looking to cover these SPY or Q puts. We're in the SPY as well. Those are doing really well as well. Just taking small positions here and there. What's up, buddy? How's it going? Did you get those SPY Q puts? They're up 100% right now, almost. So get ready to pull them if you're in them. Let me see. Let's put up the Qs or the Q puts. Netflix, we're support. Yeah, God, that one's getting cooked. Don't touch Netflix. I told my members the other day, don't touch it. Let it go lower. If you are in the Q puts as a member, get the hell out of them. How about that? I sold half at 50%. I'm looking at getting in 100% on the second half. I'm looking for Q support. We do have double bottom coming up from the other day. This is a 10-minute chart. Actually, you know what? I'm going to pull up the daily. You guys can see a little bit better. I'm on the short side. We're okay. Hold on. Let's look at that. But look at Qs. Qs are going to come into support right here, guys. If Qs cracks, we will be going down here. We might be coming into this area too, around the 166, 165. Look at that sell-off, guys. It's awesome. All right, let's go into Netflix. Hold on. Let's do that real quick. Netflix, yeah, we're cracking. If the 311 area doesn't hold, you're looking at this, 293. First 300, even number, that's where it's going to stop. But what a sell-off. When we were short right here, guys, on an intraday trade, and look at this. Oh, we should have held it. I was going to short puts or short calls. I want a little bit higher, maybe gap fill, never made it. Look at that crap out, guys. If you are in the Q puts, protect them, guys. If you remember, protect them. Holy cow. If you're short, Raj, just protect it. Because, I mean, this is the area. Let's wait. Let's pull up the weekly. Let's see where the weekly is. Yeah, weekly. Look at it. It could bounce here. Unless the market's dumped, this is going lower, but this is a good bounce area for Netflix. Not or take something off the table if you have a good trade, buddy. Yeah, because this is remember, it was the 20 MA, then the 50 MA on the weekly. Let's look at the bigger time frame, the monthly. Monthly price target still around 250. Period. But this is if Google and Amazon and AMD have good earnings, these will possibly catch a bid. So if you're on the short side, just be careful with this one. If you're making money, pull something off. Just protect it, especially hitting the 50 MA here. Let's take a wider Fibonacci. I want to take it from this low here. Yeah, that's a good area, guys. I'm not buying here. I want to see the market's got to bounce. But if it doesn't, gosh, 271 maybe. And honestly, weekly chart 164. Not that it will do it, but if the markets really start giving it up, guys, you just step aside. Short from 330, nice. Take something off. I mean, this is a good, I mean, look at the support in here. You haven't hit the 50 MA since 2016, 10/10/2016. Unless the whole market falls apart, you will go lower. But if it goes lower, wait for the retrace, do it again. Damn, though, I wish we would have stayed in this trade. My gosh. We picked it off, I think, at 379. Oh, man. Oh, well, what are you going to do? But what a sell-off on Netflix, guys. You know what they did? They got everyone on board, sucked them down. They all sold, chased it up, sucked them out again. Monthly chart, high flyer, guys. Netflix. More pain to come. You'll get bounces, don't get me wrong, but more pain to come here. I mean, especially after these big, look at that, short retrace and right back down, guys. Missed it from 390. Yeah, we picked it off. We were picking it off right after earnings. That day right here. right when it filled this gap. We were shorting at 378, I think 379, where I don't know the exact number. We took like $7 off and said thank you, and look at that drop. Yeah, good support here, guys. I mean, if anything, if they bring it back up and save it off this double bottom, the 310 area, then it could possibly move up. But you get big long bars like this, guys, you just let it go lower. Everything's catching a little bit of a bid now, though. Look at PM. PM's getting news, so it's going up. That trade's pissing me off at this point. Let's see what else. It has been down straight days after. Yeah, it's just been getting wrenched on. No, they got all the bulls back on. It's Netflix. They upgraded it to 450. It's got to go higher, and they're just taking their money. They took all their money here instead of taking profits here and then buying the dip. They just stayed in it, and some actually didn't take it when it dipped. They sold here, panicking. They chased it, pulled it back, sold again, chased it again, pulled it back, chased it again. They pulled it back in their face again. This is, yeah, NVIDIA too. That thing's getting smoked. Smoked, guys. So we'll look at NVIDIA in a second here. Let me, all right, so I want to tell my members what I told SPY or the Qs, if you're not out of this, think about protecting it or something. I'm half out. I'm trying to get a little bit more on it. I'm going to be a pig, most likely get my ass kicked, but, honest, guys, I'm just telling the truth here. All right, so NVIDIA, let's get that one going. Yeah, so watch Netflix at 310 area is pretty good, and then even around the 300, then the 290. NVIDIA, just getting killed. It's a high flyer, guys. Look at that. Oh, my gosh. Woo! Everybody having fun now? But it's the stock of the year. Look at that, 203's price target. First hit of the 50 or the 20 MA on the 200 or on the monthly time frame. I still think we're going a lot lower, guys. So, wow, look at that fall. Look at that monthly candle, guys. 1 month, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, wiped out 6 months of gains. Not even 2 weeks, wiped out 6 months of gains. Down 30%. Woo! Everybody have fun. But no, this is good support right here around 203, 200. Then it all depends on earnings, guys. If it just feels like someone knows something with AMD, with the Google, with Amazon. People are distributing. Smart money got out here. Dumb money's getting out here, going short. We'll probably get the small retrace. Then we're going to short this one. Holy cow. Look at this. So NVIDIA getting hammered. I just stay away from these names. I've been telling my members, just slow and easy on this. Let these fall. I don't know what earnings going to bring tomorrow with some of these big names and even next week. But wow, what a bloodbath on this one. Look at that. 4 weeks straight down. Someone's getting paid on these. But good support here. Good support at 203. And then real good support at 180, 114. Weekly chart, I still think we're going right here to 112. We get 4 more days like this, guys, or 4 more weeks, we'll be at $100. I missed that. I know, right? Holy crap. Look at that. But again, maybe we buy the dip on earnings. We'll see. We'll get an opportunity, long or short. Doesn't matter for us. Let's see here. Everything's catching a little bit of a bid. BA's coming back down a little bit. They're trying with BA. Facebook's getting hammered. Google down 28. Amazon down 54 again. Buy that dip, guys. Man, my members were sitting on the sideline. We added some trades yesterday. Nothing crazy, but we're going to take it. We took Tesla today short. We had Tesla yesterday. Our average price was right around $295. We added more today, pulled it back, pulled our $7-8 off, and got the hell out, and it's still going lower. Tesla, I guess, earnings today. We're adding to the short. We started short, and we got in and out on a couple good trades here. We started adding again right here. Then we added today at 303 or 301 out at the look at the exact price. Pulled back. Thank you very much. And out of that trade. That was awesome. But that's what we're looking for, guys. Intraday stuff, short-term trade. Look at this. Nice retrace. Where does it retrace? Let's see. I bet you 6. It's going to be the blue or green line. Look at that. Holy crap. Right to it. 750 retrace. Right back down, guys. Hi, John. Got a question. I know you have been talking about the paid membership, but don't know where to look for in your website so I can learn from you and the members. Thanks in advance. Yeah, Carlos, Yeah, I mean, you can go on there. I post some free videos. A lot of the stuff is for paid members. I'm doing a little more live sessions now for free. Just trying to get more people on board, guys. The more people I have at 30 bucks a month, 30 bucks a month, it's not a big deal. We have a Q trade. We took at $3 the option. It's at $6 today. We took that yesterday. Almost 100% in a day. We're in a SPY trade we took yesterday. I don't know. Let's see, how much is that up? We took the SPY trade. We added, our average price on the options is 275. These options right now are at 410 right now. So almost, we get to 450, we'll probably take off half and we'll be done. And those are, a lot of my members take them. We're in and out. We did some other ones last week. We bought some calls and shorted puts. Yeah, so it really, I'm going to do more live stuff, Carlos. Hopefully during the week as well, after hours. I'd like to start something right after the market closes at 4 o'clock New York time, 1 o'clock Arizona time, just to go over charts, just to look for the next day. But it's only me. So, I'm trying my best to get content out there. But we've been killing it. We have over 400 trades on the year. What else? 400 trades. We have 76 losers. We still have about 20 open. We have about an 80% win rate here. We do a lot of short-term trading, like scalping, that we've been doing pretty good lately. Just get in, get out, and take it from there. So it's been fun, guys. We took a swing short on a couple trades in the last couple of days. We shorted some calls, but right now we're not in a ton of positions. We were, but as these markets are coming in, we're covering our shorts and hopefully going to find a long spot eventually. That's pretty much what we're looking for. So, like I said, for 30 bucks, I'm keeping it cheap. I don't physically and care about the money. I'm just trying to keep people out of it. I got a lot of trolls out there, guys. Always people talking crap, always this. And then, when I'm not always right, but like AAOI, we picked that one off. We did Splunk. We did Twilio. We picked off a couple other real good ones, or the Tilray or whatever, the marijuana one. That one we were getting the crap beat out of us, but we stuck with it. We managed our positions, no more than 10% of our total portfolio, and we rode that thing right back down. And of course, we dumped it and then, went down another 40 bucks. That's pretty much the story of my life. So, what else here? Let's do MSFT. I'm going to try to get more people in here from StockTwits, guys. I'm just trying to build my membership base. I'm not going to lie to you. I want more people in here. I want to find stocks. I want to find more gaps. I want to find more longs. I just want to find more trades, guys, period. I want to make more money too. I can only look through 300 stocks a day trying to find support and resistance areas and trying to figure these markets out. So if I have your help, why not? Rock and roll it, guys. Rock and roll it. All right, let's see here. USO, I got to look at that one. That trade, we shorted the oil. That trade's coming in now. Looking good. Hold on. Give me a second, guys. Oh, let's see here. Post. All right, let's get back to action here. Shop. Want to look at shop? All right, man. Shop. Yeah, is that getting its ass kicked too? We were short this one. We covered it. Look at that. Damn. This is what's going on here, guys. This is where they're going to take all the bulls' money. Look at this one especially. Everyone buys here. They sell there. They buy here at double top. They sell down here. All they've been doing is shaking people out on this one. They bring it back up. We short it. We cover the trade. They bring it back down. They retrace it, get everybody on board again after they dump it and go short. They're on the wrong side of the trade every time. Support here. If the market's dump, you're looking at 112.49. I mean, you got some support right in here too, around the 120 area. Let's go to the bigger time frame at this point. This one's getting his ass kicked right now. Gosh, we're still below. Jeez. Let's go to the monthly, guys. Monthly to 116, guys. That's going to be your price target at this point. If the markets really start dumping, I'd be looking at 100. They got everybody in here, guys, and they're slapping the crap out of them. I mean, a stock goes from 18 to 170 and people are still buying up here. I wouldn't doubt this thing goes straight back to 50 bucks, maybe lower. Let's look at the retrace from these lows. especially if the market's dump. I mean, we're catching a bid right now, you know, like always. Seller stop, Fed comes in, pushes it up, L goes maybe. You got an underlying bid in this market. It's nobody but the Fed, guys. Who the hell would be coming in here buying this crap? You got some shorts covering stuff like that. 116, guys, 31 on shop. That's really good support. If that cracks on the monthly, which it could, $97, $67, $100. I mean, we were short. Our trade's over, and we're on to the next one. SQ, how about that one? Of course, we cover it there. And boom, down it goes, baby. Down it goes. So shop, just be careful. If you're short, ride the wave. Still has to be a market trade. Look at PM. This one's just pissing me off. Short this one. I got to get that up. Is that part of the Dow? You know, save the Dow. Get Boeing up. Get Apple up. You know, get Caterpillar. Got to have Caterpillar up. Do you do one-on-one mentoring? Nah. That's too much. I did some consulting a couple years back with a couple guys. I consult a couple people, but I just give them trades. I get percentage of the profits, and we're done. You know, they're not even members. They just want trades and done. And then I have my members, of course, too. I just pump out trades all the time. We're going a little bit slower during earnings. That's the way I do it. I've been doing this crap for 11 years. I'm not going to change the way I go into earnings. I get people who complain, well, why aren't no trades bookie lately? No, that's how I trade. If I see something, I'll put it out there. But during earnings, you got to protect it. We've had a hell of a last couple months. I think about 60 trades now with 7 losers, and all the rest of them are winners, a couple open positions. So we've been on a tear lately, guys. My members, at least. If you're taking my trades, you're flipping killing it. At least I hope you are. I don't know. But if not, you're learning something with technicals. But yeah, shop, guys, be careful. You get a long bar like this and it closes down in here, that's most likely going to lead to lower prices. If any of these pop on earnings, guys, we're going to be shorting these again, or writing calls or shorting calls. Puts are tough because they can hang them up there for a little while and decay them. But that's what I'm doing, at least. We did buy some puts in the SPY and the Qs. We're half out of the Qs. We're looking to sell the last half. What time is it here? 11:30. I think we have a great possibility where this thing can sell off until the end of the day. We only have 81 million on the day shares, so it's not anything great on the SPY, but we are in a confirming downtrend, which means that we could possibly sell towards the end of the day. I mean, the confirming downtrend can change the way, you know, these markets are, you know, pivoting up and down with the sells, the buys, the sells, get PM up, get Boeing up. Oh my gosh, save the day. Save the day. So shop, Eric, just be careful with this one right now. You get this long candle. If you get a retrace in your long, maybe think about just getting the hell out, turning it, and going short. These markets are due for a correction, guys, period. SQ. Yeah, that one's getting his ass rocked. Damn, look at that candle, guys. 100 even number and lights out. We were short that one too, guys. If you remember, you would have caught that too. Yeah, we were getting our ass kicked a little bit. But we shorted calls as well, and we did a swing short on this one. We're out of these trades now, but down she go. I mean, this thing went down to 65. Just like iRobot. We shorted that one after hours. We got a couple bucks on it, and then it dumped on us. I was like, damn, story of my life, guys. If you know me and you've been trading with me, look at iRobot. We almost picked this thing off. We traded this at $100.50 yesterday. Damn it. It's 81 bucks. It still pisses me off. So when this thing popped, it popped right into here. 100 even number, hit this as resistance, went through this resistance, and then bam, right back, guys. Look at the after hours action. I'll put on the time template on this one. Oh, man, it's still, you know what? I had 1,000 shares, guys. I wasn't holding this thing to go up in my face and just freaking murder me. So I took the 1,500 or whatever it was and said, thank you very much. I mean, literally, it was so fast. We traded it right here when this thing went back up. So we took it at $100.50, and then it went here. I pulled the rest off and then freaking down. I was like, you son of a gun. So anyway, so I made my 1,500 in 15 minutes or whatever. I'm good with that. But man, that could have been a 10K right there. And I went 1,000 shares, nothing big. I mean, for me, that's nothing big, but I would have added more if it would have went up a little bit. But my gosh, because even I like the 105 area too. I would have put maybe another 1,000 and then maybe the pullback. But I got it, got the hell out, so thank you very much. In these markets, guys, I am not effing around. Let's put it that way. I am in, I am out and done. But SQ, man, that thing just getting a rail job. But again, what was it, guys? We talk about high flyers all the time. If you remember here, look at that. That thing's stupid. This thing was an $8 stock in 2016 that went to 100 and upgrades. But it's square. It's got to go higher. No, not after this stretch job. And the next thing you know, we're at 50 bucks again. And everyone who held up here, probably never going to see it again. It's just the way it is. Roku. Yeah, we shorted that one too. That was a nice trade too. Out of that one. Look at that beast. 77 is down. Look, it's still going lower. Damn. Should have held on to these, but now we're waiting for long positions, guys. We start hitting these levels, buy the dippers are just getting wrenched right now. Wrenched. And then they're using margin. Let's use margin. We bought the dip for a year. This is going to be great. And then, bam, guys, right in their face, bringing it down again. But you're at pretty good support down in here around the 50 even number on this one. But, man, you get a long bar like this, you better step aside. Sorry. And we're going up again. Of course, you know, we got 100% on our Qs. I'm still in them. If it comes down a little bit more, I'm just going to dump them and say thank you very much. But you got gap fill on this one here at 47.39. Then you got the double bottom with the gap fill right around 43.30. This continues to go. First target's 200 MA gap fill. Go to the weekly. This is our OKU. Brother T-Man. Yeah, mentor. Let's you got a lot of money, Brother T-Man. I can mentor you. The last guy I consulted, we had a $200 million account. So I was like, yeah, I could do it. But it was tough. When you tell a guy that has that kind of money what to do, a lot of times people don't want to listen. And it's too bad. I mean, we had over 400 trades on the year. If we would have done my style with this guy, this year we would have murdered it. With $100 million account, it was stupid. I never took huge trades like that, $10 million. We had at one point, guys, 35,000 shares short of Tesla. 1.7 million we made on the trade. It was stupid. 35,000 shares. I was like, what the hell? We're short this name? And it worked out, though. He was panicking because it was going up. I was like, got to hold. And I'll see where I'm pretty sure I know. I will look at that trade. But let's get some other ones too. But Roku or ROKU, good support here around 50. It's bouncing there. Technical damage is done here, though, guys. We get a short-term retrace. I'll be shorting this one again. I'll be looking for stocks to pop on earnings, good levels of resistance, and we'll be shorting again. That's what we'll be doing, guys, with these stocks. But Roku, God, we shorted it. We're out now. That was another good trade. We even shorted calls on this one, too, and got paid. Damn, puts would have paid, too. Been tough with puts. They hold things up forever, and they just freaking murder you. Kind of like the Q puts right now. And the SPY puts. Where's the SPY? Let me look at that real quick here. Let's look at the SPY real quick. I've got to get a handle on the markets. Yeah, they're trying to hold it. Jeez. Selling stops. Uncle Jerome gets right in there, guys. Oh, man, here's our opportunity. Push it. Hopefully news will hit. CNBC, what, did they have Buffett on? Anybody see Buffett on CNBC yet? Or markets aren't in turmoil too much? Damn, they're trying to save it again. God, we were selling pretty good right here, too. And as soon as the selling stops, guys, what do we get? Buy program. All the indexes, too. Can't tell me that's not the Fed. They have a trading desk, guys. The Federal Reserve has a trading desk on Wall Street. Can't tell me that's. Who the hell's buying this? Unless some shorts are covering. That's a pretty big buy program with some volume. Keep pushing, Uncle Jerome. Gotta save the day. We have a little bit of a bottoming tail on the SPY. I don't know if that's going to hold. Good resistance or good support down here, guys. I still think, we still couldn't get down here. 268. Jeez. I'm pretty sure, hold on, there's another gap fill here too. Right here. This gap fill, 266.96, and then this double bottom here. That could be the next levels here, 267.70. So watch for those if we start going down. Yeah, the Kramer pump. He was saying, remember, I think I was on vacation, but this 500 update, I think he was telling everybody, time to buy. Straight back down. Ay, ay, ay. Let's look at AMD. Sure. AMD, we were short, getting our ass kicked. Right back in the money. Going into earnings, I'm going to play it. If it goes up, I got a little bit room where I can add more. But right now, we're in the money on this trade. I'm still thinking 16 bucks. If they have bad earnings, it's going to be lights out for this thing. And then the market starts selling. I wouldn't doubt we go right back to 10. And this is just a pump, get everybody on board, get all the longs. Oh my God, it's going to 40. Still, we have one guy still telling people 40 bucks. It's kind of like SPY 300. People are morons, let me tell you. But again, I'm not always right. But you know what? I take my small size positions. Money management is critical to the trading I do. If you have a $100,000 account, no more than 10 grand in any position, period. If you're scalp trading, intraday stuff, maybe a little bit bigger, but no more than 10%. If you're taking options, puts or calls, no more than 3% or 3,000 on these trades. I would go 1,500 just in case you got to add. I'd rather go $1,000 than do another grand add, do another grand add, get it to the max position, and then hold on for dear life. In these markets, you got up and down action. It's crazy. You got PM. Someone's pumping that one. Someone needs higher prices than Philip Morris because, they had good earnings. Yeah, everything's getting killed today, but PM's up. But they got to save the Dow. Save the Dow today. Get Caterpillar green. Come on, you can do it. So I gotta look at this PM trade, guys. Where are we at? So we're starting to. We have a little bit of a bullish pattern. We're going above the 200. I have this trade here. I like the fact that we popped up on earnings. I like the fact that we're into the 200 MA here. Okay, I started adding short here. And I was telling my man, if we get here, I think my next area will be 92.01 if we can make it there, okay? I love the fact that we went from 77 to 80. If the markets turn weak, this will come right back in. I don't give a crap what name it is. If the overall markets start to sell, this will dump. But, we're getting a bid on this, maybe an upgrade today, something like that. Just got to watch out. Just like Tesla. We were short that one, started adding, knowing that the earnings were next week, I believe, or a week and a half out, and then they changed them till today. So thank God we got the pullback on Tesla. We added more at the 303 or 301.50. I don't even know where we added, and got the hell out. In and out, guys. Boom, boom, done. So yeah, markets are catching another bid. Unbelievable. And here we go. But all right, let's go back into AMD. AMD on the weekly chart, you have 22.23, good support with the 20 MA. But look at that, just stretch again, too far, too fast. We had great consolidation. We shorted here, we shorted here, we shorted here. Should have went long here. I thought we'd get one more pullback. I liked the $758 area for the long. Just never made it. We got below these lows. But the one thing that I saw, even on the weekly, we didn't get volume. We had a good volume reversal and then the pop. But it was almost like someone needed to make money. Everything else is all-time highs. So pick on AMD, get it to all-time highs. Well, everything else was stalling out. This one was ripping heads off. That's kind of the play for this. They get it going. Everybody, oh, it's AMD. Then StockTwits pumps it. Everyone's pumping it. And next thing you know, you're up in here. And then boom. This was a great area, guys. We got to go to the monthly on the chart. Right there, look at that. You got all the highs. That was your area. Then you got the 750 retrace. And we were short in 26.91. We were adding at 22. We added. This was a tough one. Go from 9 to 32. Come on, or 34. So yeah, right back down. High flyer, even on the monthly price targets around 15 bucks. So earnings will drive this one up or down. We'll have to see. But yeah, something's up here. A lot of political crap and stuff. A lot of people are dumping, getting out of these markets, guys. A lot of the smart money was out a long time ago, especially on the indexes. But we're gonna have to see. Volume set to 86 million on the SPY. Watch for that, and then we'll see what happens. But yeah, brother T man, yeah, just watch out for this one. With this elongated candle engulfing reversal on a monthly, I can see lower prices. We're gonna know tonight. Earnings can save the day on this one. This one can pop, or if this thing drops, we'll be out of our short and done. And on to the next trade. Hey guys, if you're new here, punch up a symbol. Tell me if you want to go long or short, or if you're long or short, getting your head teared off, or if you got a great trade and you want to see excuse me, where certain areas of support and resistance are. All right, let's see here. AMD, let's look at Visa. Some people are asking for Visa. No, not AMDV, just the V. Yeah, look at that, same thing. Look at the high flyer guy, monthly chart. If you're not short this one, it retraces, short it. If you are short this one, is coming in, great. 117 would be the price target. Markets fall. This thing's going to 90 bucks. Straight up like this is just unhealthy. Look at this, guys. When this one falls, it's going to fall like a brick. Period. Period. So that's why I'm telling my members on any pop on earnings, especially charts like this, we're going to go short. Even if it's for a day trade, or we're going to short calls. This is exactly what we're looking for. Visa, I would not get long in this one. Again, if it pops, short it. If you're long in this one, just protect it. Next thing you know, it's a $100 stock, and you're like, damn, could have sold at 140, 145, 150, but 150, big round number. Excuse me. Oh my gosh, look at this stupid thing. I mean, it's got a good trend. Don't get me wrong. We're above the M&As, but jeez. Look at the weekly. Yeah, weekly, they're trying to hold it. They're trying. I mean, this is just too far, too fast, guys. 129, telling you 92 bucks will be my target if the market's correct. These are all these stocks are just going to fall. See, it's a staircase up, guys, elevator down. That's how this shit works. Look at Twilio. Look at this, same thing. We were shorting here. Got it. No, we didn't do it. We shorted here, I believe. Got it. And then we started shorting again. And we're already out of this trade again. Same thing. Staircase up, elevator down. This one was the elevator up, elevator down. Just be careful with this one. Visa, like I said, yeah. I'm not longs. I would wait. Shorts, just let this thing play out. Same. It just looks like the indexes. You get the bounce, get the shallow retrace to this big inside bar. That was huge selling. You better have some volume going up into that if you want to get above it. Never closes, right back down. Now the 20 MA is curling in the price. We'll see if that thing, keeps pushing it lower. So that's something to look at there. We're pulling back a little bit again. Nothing crazy, but you got the BA trying. Gosh, even Amazon's getting killed. Crap. Microsoft. Let's look at Microsoft. MSFT. I don't know when they're having earnings, but it's down $3, holding the 104 area. I still think $100 here we come. Next big area, 37. Another one, guys. Microsoft. Too far, too fast. 87 is my target right now. I mean, come on. It was always like a $20 stock, $30 stock, and now it's 115. I don't care if it's earnings today. Yeah, so this thing pops, guys, add a short, ride it down. If it drops, you got to let it go lower, especially in a weak market right now. We get this up and down action. This is the kind of stock that's going to dump. So just if you're long, protect it. If you're short, I would hold. It might take it's shares only on these trades, guys. Shares only. Going into earnings, go light. Don't go heavy. Make sure it's at least at 5% or under position. Period. All right, sorry about that, guys. They always split when they get over 100. Yeah, I don't care about that. That's fine. If you have 100 shares and you get 200 shares at 50 or whatever it is, whatever it goes down to. But look at the chart, guys. Come on, it's going down. The market's pull back, it's going to go down even faster. So any pop on this one, short it. If you get past the 116.19, just stop out. Keep it simple. So if you pop up back to 115, short it. If you get back up here, well, I'd give it maybe 121. Give it a $5 stop. Go 5% of your position. If it goes up into here, add more. If it continues, get out. Make it simple. So, earnings today too, huh? I didn't really look at what's going on today. Is it AMD today, I think? Let's see. All right. So, yeah, Microsoft going into earnings, really nothing to do right now. Again, if you're long, protected. If you're short, if it goes up more, just make sure you have room. I do like the 110, 111 area, 112. So if it pops up into here, 113, you got to see if it just rips through all these areas and hits this, that's where you want to short it. Gap fill would be good too. So this is one we're going to have to watch and see how it reacts after earnings. Tesla, AMD, Microsoft. Yeah, okay. That's why I thought Tesla, they changed. What else here? Let's see. Earnings. Well, earnings tomorrow. You got Twitter Shop, Celgene, AAL, Grub, Love, MO, WWE, Cop, VLO, Waste Man. You got a lot tomorrow too, morning. So these are going to be driving it. But tonight, AMD, Microsoft, Tesla, Visa, Ford, ALGN, Las Vegas Sands, Whirlpool, O'Reilly, SRPT, ABX, F5. Yeah, a lot of earnings today too, guys. But the big ones: AMD, Microsoft, Tesla. I might get off the mic and come back later. I'd like to be with you guys live after these earnings, so maybe we could pick something off on an earnings pop. Yeah, wow, lot today, lot tomorrow. So tomorrow too. UNP, SHW, Duncan, VLO, Bud, ALK, SWK. This is tomorrow morning. I think we're going to get a lot of gap and craps, guys, especially if the chart's setting up weak for a gap and crap. Have a look at Snap just for laughs to see the reversal. Let's see. All right, hold on. Snap, we used to call that crap. But this is another one. They got everybody all hyped up, got everybody in. We talked about this bar, too. If this thing can hold, I mean, now we made a higher low. I mean, if you want to take this one long, you can. But going into earnings, who knows? I'd rather take it at $5. But again, if you want to take this one, gosh, it actually bounced. I wonder when I did that video. The 652 to 7. Yeah, I mean, you get a buck on that, 1,000 shares, get the hell out. But yeah, I mean, it's trying, guys. I would just... you know, you could take it for a like a spec trade. You know, go with what you're willing to lose. If you're willing to lose, you know, $6,830, you know, 1,000 shares, then buy it. If you can't lose that, then go maybe $1,000 worth. If you can handle losing $1,000, then hey, play it like an option. But if this thing pops, you know, you could get a good 100% move on this one. What broker do you use for off hours? I have Cobra Trading. I use Lightspeed. Thinkorswim I use as well, mostly for options. Gosh, what was that? Oh, Scott Trade, but they're Thinkorswim now. So I got three brokers right now, guys. But I use eSignal too for my charts, which I can have my charts anywhere. So then I have my level 2s on another computer. Don't like them to keep them on my main computer, because if it goes down, I have a backup computer as well. So, but for you guys, if you have a smaller account, you can use Cobra Trading, which is the same, or VenomTrading.com, and they work with interactive brokers, and they have a good platform, good commission fees, commission structures, great customer service. That's the one I usually pitch, is Cobra Cobra Trading or Venom Trading, one or the other. Let's see here. Snap. Yeah. You could play as a spec play, guys. You know, if it goes below 5, maybe get the hell out. But if it hits 5, I might get interested in this one here. You know, they might be a buyout candidate where all of a sudden, next thing you know, it's a $10 stock and we're collecting a check. But you know, other than on the, you know, gosh, $5. I mean, maybe it's $6,000, $1,000 worth, maybe. But you know, it's a spec play, guys. You're just being a bottom feeder. If they get bought out or something, this thing could pop for a day. But all the brokers, Eric, you can use for after hours. I think you just got to call them and say, hey, can I trade after hours? Some I guess don't let you, but all the ones I've worked with usually do. I've worked with a lot in the past. So, yeah. Some good earnings, so after hours. Ooh, we're coming right back in, guys. So if you're a member with me at StockBookie, we did take some puts on the Qs yesterday. We're up almost 100% on them. If you're with me, I took half off already, guys. I'm taking profits. For all I know, we bounce tomorrow. We go up 500 points. I just don't want to get stuck in a disaster. We are in a confirming downtrend right now on the day. So watch for that. I think we could get some more selling. If we do hit 100% or 125% on these puts, I will sell maybe a quarter position and just hold a quarter then. And into tomorrow with the earnings, with the Amazon and all that. Because, God, if those fall, we're going to make money on Friday. So I'll hold a quarter position. I already made my money. Even if it goes to zero, I still made money on these trades. But Snap, I wouldn't touch that one, maybe $5. Again, he's played as a spec play. Throw a couple hundred shares, hold them. If it goes lower, just know that it could go to zero. It's not going to go to zero, but just play it like an option, period. Facebook. Yeah, Facebook's getting slammed. That's your area of 150. If that cracks, we're going to 129. If that cracks, we're going to 115. I want to see 129 most likely. Daily chart. Look at that. We're breaking down. If it closes below that, we'll look for follow through tomorrow, and then you better step aside on these names. Again, we're earnings are still coming up on the big players tomorrow. Today, a couple. You got to keep an eye on that. What do I want to look at? The weekly. Yeah, weekly 200 MA right there. I love this area, but I really like 115 for a bounce. So we're going to really be patient on this one. I mean, these things, look at this. They retrace it up, got all the bulls back in, guys, and they're dumping it in their face again. And all the bulls, when they go in, they go margin everything. No money management skills, no small positions, just load the house and pray for God. But we bought the dip forever. It's just gone up. Yeah, it has. They got everybody programmed, guys. Every dip, just buy. Now what? They dipped it here. Everybody who bought here went short there. They ripped it in their face. They took the shorts, went long up here, and then they took it to them again. So this is where they take all the bulls' money, guys. And the next thing you know, when we flush, we're going to flush. And when we do, you better step aside. So, have a look at Snap just for laughs. See the reversal SPY chart? Yeah. Oh, revert. Yeah. No, SPY. Look at that, though. Came right back in, guys. So SPY, let's look at this now. Okay. Technically intraday action, guys. So I'm watching the 60-minute too. We had a nice bearish pattern here. Here, hold on. Let's look at the 60. I'm going to make it in the big one here. So what is this? Is what I was telling my members. Let's pull. I got after hours action on this. So look at this. Inside bar bearish pad. That was epic right there, guys. Comes back in, shoots up. What do? We buy puts right here. Almost gap fill, 20 MA resistance. If you take the Fibonacci, I'm going to do more short-term work here, guys. This is more day trading, not swing trading. I'm just watching this. We come right back to the 50%, retrace the 20 MA on the 60-minute. You got to do something here. Gap fill almost, right back down, almost at the lows again. That's where we bought Q put, and that's where we bought SPY put. SPYs, we got in a little early, unfortunately, but we added a little bit more. We're doing okay on those as well. We get one more big pullback, we'll get 100% on both these trades. We went short on a couple names too. I don't want to give them because they're for my members, but the two trades now we took, we're already in the money and almost done, so I don't care if we talk about the SPY or the Q puts. Intraday action now, 10-minute. As long as we're staying below the 20, look at that, right to the 20, right back down, guys. Every push up, we're getting sell. Look at this. They were like, haha, we got this now. Seller comes right back in. We got this now. Seller comes right back in. So there's some more selling pressure. And when you have a confirming downtrend on a day, this is the kind of action you're getting. I would love to see 170 million on the day. If still the volume's okay, we'll probably push 120, 130. Unless we start dumping, then we could probably push 150. But yeah, right back down. Qs are back to 580, the puts, so those are going all right. Let's see here. Man, just crazy stuff. These markets. If you don't know what you're doing in these markets, step aside, guys. Stay on the sideline. Even me, guys, I'll take trades. They're not the best. Look at the PM. PM's going up my ass right now. Excuse my language. But I was telling her, if it could get above the 200 and confirm, then we're going to have to think about this position. But I still like it. But we're working off this with the SPY and the DIA or the Dow. This is a trade where it's got to be a market trade. If the market pulls back, I mean, it is pulling back today, but they're getting some news with, I think, the electric cigarette or something like that. I'm not sure what they're getting. They're getting some news out the last couple of days, and that's why we're pushing up. I'm waiting for a little bit more on this one. I'd like to see the 92 area hit, or even up in here around the 93 if we get there. So we got protection on the trade. We're inching slow on this one. If we would have got more of a, the news is killing me. This thing was starting to come in too, and right back up. So let's see here. So everything looks like IWM. That's another critical one we follow. Almost at the lows again today. Gosh, we had puts a couple weeks ago and we sold them early. Frick. I think we bought them at like $1.76, and they went to freaking like $12. Those were incredible trades, and we dumped early. But again, with these kind of markets, guys, we get profits. We get the hell out. So the markets are pulling back again. My puts are coming up. If we push one more time down, I'll probably be taking the puts off, or no, at least. Oh man, I'm half out the Qs. I think I'll get half out of the SPYs, and I'm gonna have to hold because we're cracking these critical levels now. The damage is done, guys, in these charts. Every retrace we get, we're gonna short. We were hoping up here. We didn't even get close to that, and right back down. This one's down 2.39% on the day, getting killed again, and we're hitting lows again. We're making lows right now on this one, guys. Damn, we should have. That would have been the retrace right there. I would have loved to at least seen the 200 MA. It didn't even come close. All right, guys, we're coming in again. Be careful with anything. If you are long in any position, be careful right now. Everything's a market trade. That's what we're looking for. Holy cow. Broker dealers are down $5.60. $5.60. Transports are down 201. Dow's down 250. Comp's down 203. Wow, Russell's down 36. Oh my gosh. And going lower. 150's key on the Russell, guys. Got to watch for that. Hold on, guys. I'm just getting some more out there. Let's see. Visa, T, LABU, and let's do BABA. All right, so we got. Let's get a handle on these. Gosh, we're making lows again, guys. So SPY's almost at the lows. Q's making new lows. IWM making new lows. The IYT, which are the transports, almost at new lows. And just, wow, what a turd today. God. And they were, what was Kramer saying in the Talking Heads the other day? Is it time to buy the dip? You know, and it will be tomorrow. Will be markets in turmoil. Gosh. I honestly do have that on as background noise, guys, because for breaking news more or less, so I know what the political guys are saying. It's pretty incredible. But yeah, people want out. And is it because of Amazon and Google tomorrow? Possibly. I don't know. We're going to find out tomorrow. But again, if these pop, we're going to be shorting these names. Anything. If you're not short PM, short it. Gosh, there's some other ones too. Snap. All right, guys, if you're new here, punch up a symbol. We'll take a look at it, long or short. I don't really care. We'll take a look at support and resistance levels. Don't forget to like my video. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free on StockBookie.com. If you want to become a member, it's $30 a month. Don't be a cheap ass. we just had 100% in our Q puts in a day, and we just took. We're going to take off our SPY trade too for maybe 50%. We've had over 400 trades on the years with almost 80% win rate. I mean, for $30 a month, I don't know. And then hopefully I could teach you guys some of this technical crap that I know. And honestly, guys, sometimes, like I wanted to retrace up here, never got it. Look at that downfall. We're just getting short retraces and then the kill. 150 is the number, though. I wouldn't be surprised. Remember, the power hour, 12 o'clock, guys. Everyone named it the power hour. Just buy the dip at the end of the day. It goes up every day. That's what they got. They got everybody conditioned now that the markets are never going down. They aren't. They're just not. And every dip that gets bought, everyone, oh, here we go. And now this is what they're going to do to you. They're going to every dip, you're going to buy it, they're going to retrace it, and then they're going to sell it in your face. Depending on earnings, though. if we get good earnings the next couple of days, that can all change. But I'm going to be looking to get out of these puts, I think, today. I'm not even going to take a chance. 50% in the day, I'm done. SPY puts, let's see where these are. So the SPY ones, yeah, we got in at, let's see. The SPY one's not as doing good as the Qs, but the SPY, our average price is 275. These puts are at 390 right now. So not too bad. I might just cut them. We're holding double bottom here. I like the fact that the IWM is making new lows. I mean, it did right here, but it's holding this double bottom. Let's see. Is there any other support? I mean, there's a little more support, a little lower, about $1 lower that I really, that's where I'm watching. And then, of course, a couple bucks lower at 142. If that really starts to rumble, you better step out. Well, it looks like we're getting a bid now. They're really trying with this BA, spread the news out. Well, what stocks? Let's see here. So I got J&J positive, KMX positive, Lowe's positive, McDonald's positive, MLM positive, PEP positive, PM positive, Place positive, Pull positive. So a couple names still. Socks are pot. Well, that's a soda pot, little bit positive. What else? Target positive, Tiffany positive. Covered our Tiffany short. We got that one. And Tesla holding in there. They said yesterday the earnings should be good. Should be. Walmart positive. Weight Watchers a little bit positive. Zebra's down again. Let's see what other names. AMT positive, ARE positive, AutoZone's positive. Burlington just ripping. That's another one. If you're not short Burlington, short it. If it pops on earnings, definitely short it. CMG coming right back in, guys. I was getting killed in this trade. They took it to, we've had so many trades on this one, whatever. As long as you're taking the right size, goes straight up. And what goes up, hits 500, goes straight down, guys. Pretty amazing. We are in the money on this trade now, though. So, again, slow and steady. Spread out the trades all over, guys. Small positions, no more than 10%, and then you can handle the pain. You go all in on 2 trades, you can't sit in these things, especially shares. You get a stock that goes up, and away. You got to take it slow and easy, steadily keep adding, short or long. I don't care what it is. Short or long, guys. That's how you got to play these. Even going long. Find good support areas. Know your position size. And when you start adding, you know where to add. Slow and steady. Yeah, CMG finally in the money. Holding out. I mean, earnings are most likely coming up. If they're bad, we'll be right back down to here. So I'm holding this one still. I'm holding all my shorts. I've been in some trades a little longer than I wanted to be. So what? I was in Win getting my ass kicked. Look where Win is now, $101. We made good money on this one. Got out a little bit early. I finally said I'm done. I'm getting my ass kicked on this trade. I made some money. Out. I get out. Of course, it goes down another 10, 15 bucks. It's like, thanks. But this one, we're waiting patiently on this one. Win. A lot of people were looking right here, 130. Then right here, this was a great bearish pattern. People, hey, do we buy here? Now maybe. I like the 100, but I like a little bit lower. We're getting killed. Great support. I still like this gap fill here, which we just filled. No, we did fill that one. I still like 88, though. Markets are weak. This one's going lower. That's the only problem. Ooh, there we go. All right, guys, if you are a member and you're in the queues, please take something off the table. We are up 100% on this trade in one day. Damn, I wish I could say it with the SPY one. SPY, though, SPY's coming in a little bit more. SPY will get that maybe 50%. I took it a little early. It's pissing me off, but what are you going to do? These options now are 610 now. We got in at $3. So there goes another good trade here. Put that on the winners list. Yeah, we got our ass kicked on some put positions, believe me. But, man, you get a good trade, look at this thing go. All right, guys. Cues are breaking, so we're popping now. I'm going to be a pig. You know what pigs happen to pigs. We're going to get slaughtered, but I'm going to hold this one tight, see if we get a little bit more. All right, let's go back to the cues chart. See if I can punch this in here. Hey, we got 20 people today. We started with 10 or 15 last week. We added a couple more. Tell your friends, guys. I'm going to do this free stuff for only so long. I got to do some more private stuff for my members, but I want to get more people on board, guys. Go to StockBookie.com. Sign up. $30. $30 for this crap. You could have paid for a whole year with this one trade with the Qs. We bought them at 3. They're at 620 now. 615. They're not all like that, believe me, but I wish they were. I wish it was this easy. I wouldn't be. Actually, I love doing this, guys. I love teaching people how to trade. Should have been doing this years ago. But good support here, guys, though. But if this double bottom breaks, look out below. And we're starting to break. Oh, look at these. 635 now on these options. There you go, Pedro. Good thing you sold. Like always. Typical moron. All right, so these are going up a little bit higher now. SPY's coming in. Everything's coming in now. I know who that is. That's my mom. She tells when the markets are bombing. She calls. Oh yeah, here we go. Hold on, give me a second. Hello. Hello. Nope, not my mom. But every time the market's dumped, she got. Are you watching this? Like, I'm watching it. Believe me, I got everybody watching this. All right, so let's see the SPY trade. These are at 450 now. Our average price is 275 on these. So there, if you're in this trade too, protect them. You know what? I got to tell you, some of my members aren't in here. Hold on. Protect the SPY and Q puts, or please sell. I'm telling all my members right now on Twitter, once you get the private Twitter feed, I'm telling them protect the SPY and the Q puts, or please sell. Just at this point, not going to take any chances here. That's stupid. These things are doing real good here. I took off half. You know what, guys? I'm going to take off half on these. On the hold on here, SPY. All right, let's see here. Oh man. All right, here we go. Everything's at the lows, guys. Confirming downtrend intact. 340 down on the Dow. We're just starting to sell. Look at PM coming in. So PM, like I said, markets dump. Everything's coming in. Look at the 10-minute chart on Philip Morris. Look at that. Selling comes in. Can't handle it. Tesla's selling. Look at Google selling. Facebook dumping. Nvidia dumping. My gosh. Step aside, guys. All right. I just sold half of my puts on the SPY at 465, guys. Sold half SPY puts at 4.65. All right. Please protect. I'm not going to mess around. I mean, they could pop this thing. Whatever. I'm taking profits. I don't care. All right. So 465, we got out of those. All right. Let's see here. Let's look at the Qs. Let's go back to that trade. I might just get the hell out of these and say thank you very much. I just don't want to mess around here. I've been in too many of these trades where they're kicking ass, and the next thing you know, you blink your eye and they're killing you. Where it's like, what? What the hell just happened? Right? All right, so the Q puts. Let's see where these are at right now. I sold half already, so I'm okay. I'm trying to be a little pig here. You know what happens to pigs, though, guys. Just trying to be honest with you guys. All right, these puts are at 640 now. I'm just going to hold tight here, guys. Gosh, Spike, those came in pretty good there. All right, hold on here. I want to see what's going on. Hold on here. Trying to get. Oh, man. All right, 643 on the Qs. Remember, protect these trades, guys. Anybody else want me to look at anything? Just punch in the symbol. Don't be shy. If you're in a trade getting railed right now, just let me know, long or short. Or if you're looking for a trade, long or short, we'll see what we can pick off. Philip Morrison right back up. Unbelievable. But look at this. We're at the lows again. IWM leading the charge, guys. $4.10 down. Or on the Russell, $40 down on the Russell. The SPXs are down 53 on the SPX now. Wow. Here we go again, guys. Is this thing still going? Am I still going here? Test. Someone punch in something. Let me know you're alive. There you go. Google for a quick trade. For long, I'm not going long. We got a confirming downtrend right now, and we're going into the end of the day. How about that? Is that for a good answer? I would have to go a little bit lower, 1060. But with the SPY and if we can't catch a bid here, everything's going lower. Short, no way. Short would have been right here on the top of the day. Short would have been yesterday, actually, right at gap fill. That would have been the trade there for a day hold. Boom, look what you would have got. Well, always easy after the fact. Wow, look what I would have got. This would have been a great trade. Well, yeah. Why didn't you do that, StockBookie? Well, I was in short Tesla. And then I found out earnings happened. It was like, 1055 support. Yeah, I mean, you can even make a case for 1062, but I'm telling you, if the SPY and everything really fall apart, I like 1,000. I mean, we're cracking this area now. Here, let me punch up the daily. CGC, yeah, Eric. I'm looking at that one. I don't know. Those marijuana. Look at TLRY. That thing's just they bounce everything up, bounce everything down, bounce everything up, bounce everything down. But we'll look at CGC. Hold on. Let's look at the weekly real quick on this Google. Yeah, don't touch it. No way. Especially before earning. I know for a quick trade. You got 1061 support with the 618 or at 750 retrace, 1061.52. But man, telling you, if we start to dump and get just a massive sell, we're going a lot lower, guys. I don't know what's going on here. I mean, it's political crap. I mean, it's just time for selling. We go, look at these charts. Up, and away for years. It's time. And then look at this one, though, guys. If we go up on earnings, we'll have a head and shoulder pattern here. If we go up in earnings and then bomb, that'll be an epic pattern. So we'll be looking for Google shorts, looking for Amazon. Hopefully we could cover our short in AMD today. Just get the hell out of that. And maybe they bounce it. We add more. We'll have to see. But Google, stay away. Right now, these markets are too temperamental. Yeah, we could catch a bid. You have this trend line, too, where we're hitting now. That trend line gives, guys. It's going to be lights out. And plus going into the end of the day, too. This is tough right now. IWM making new lows. Just clicked over. Next 10-minute candle. Let's see what we do. But Google, stay away from that one. Were you looking to go long or short on this one? Probably long. Everyone's programmed to buy the dip right now. Yeah, I mean, you got some candles here. Maybe one more big candle into good support, then maybe the bounce. I do like this, though. I still like 1050, a little bit lower. I mean, I'm not doing it, guys. I mean, if you want to take a trade, yeah, I'm not. No, don't do it, guys. Nope. Markets are getting beat down right now. Confirming downtrend going into the end of the day. Volume starting to pick up. SPY has 98 million. These are the days where we end up at the lows and on selling. So just hold tight. Yeah, it's got to go. It's got to go with the trade. We're making new lows on the day. The market still go back. It's still going to go down. It's a market trade right now, guys. Period. Everything's a market trade. All right. See a couple options going off on the Qs. Hopefully those are my members. We keep small positions on these trades, guys. Don't want to get our ass kicked. The markets could have easily went up in our face. Easily. They didn't, though. But we're getting paid on these now. Let's see here. The SPY puts came down a little tiny bit. But we sold half, so I'm good with that. One more flush, guys. I don't know if we're going to get it. This is the power hour. You got to remember that. And then even with the Google trade, guys, you got to line, you know, if Amazon catches a bid, if Facebook catches a bid, Tesla catches a bid, Nvidia catches a bid, the overall markets start to catch a bid, yeah, then this can catch a bid. Right now, if markets are dumping, I'm telling you, this will be a 1050 real quick. Yeah, I'm still, and this isn't bad. 1050. And if that, guys, don't, markets are dumping, we're going lower. Period. Just be careful. Be careful with a lot of these high flyers, guys. Monthly charts look ridiculous on a lot of stocks. CGC. Is this getting the beat down again? Oh my gosh. We were short up here around 51, 52, I think it was. We took the $3 and said, holy crap, we're out. I think it was this pullback here. We were like, didn't get it all. And then it popped up. This would have been the short right here. Long. When's earnings on this one? You still have a gap. You still have the 200. I think this is another one. Too far, too fast. I think $20 is your target to go long. I mean, it could go up. It's a marijuana stock. You get news. But, yeah, another stretched one. This is why we were shorting it up here. And it went up on us a little bit. Came right in. We took our profit and said, I'm out. I don't even know. Where did we take that trade? We took it at, we had it at $50.90. We covered it at $50.90. We added more at $55.20. Our cost average was $15.90. We took it off at $48.95. I was like, done. And of course, now it's at $38. So if I would have held it, but the marijuana stocks were going crazy for those that week or two. And you know what? When it pulled back, I was like, I'm out. I'm done. I'm not going to mess around. Next thing you know, it's a $100 stock. I'm just getting railed. The position size was okay. I could have handled that, but 38, damn it. That would have been a great trade. So long, let's wait on these. Let's see if when we get some market direction. If the markets start to catch a bid and the SPY starts going up, then we're going to look for names that are down and then that are still beat down. For the SPX, I'm on a delay on that one. But we can look at the SPX support. Oops. Yeah, I don't pay for. I got to pay extra, and I got the chart in Thinkorswim. But to look at, we're 15-minute delay. I think I got to pay $20 a month for this thing, and it's like I got it in the Thinkorswim platform. Why would I pay $20 extra? I'd look at 26.25 right now. And if that breaks, we're looking at probably 25, 26, and then 2,500 even number. This is the monthly chart, guys. You start reversing like this and end up down in here. You probably get a shallow retrace to the next freaking death fall. And this is the market action. You're going to look for a flash crash, to be honest with you. And next thing you know, we're just tanking. We're down $44 on this. We're actually down 51 right now. This is 15 minutes behind. So you got to watch for that one. But but right now, you just got to go slow and steady. That's all you can really do. We'll take the right size positions. Look at that, though. I mean, we're down here now. We're at, where are we? 26.89. So we're down in here right now. So we're a little bit below the lows and starting to sell off a little tiny bit. Nothing crazy. But MU, it is because of semiconductor cycle demand. Oh, is that part of it too? I follow the charts, guys. That's it. But support, we're at support right here. But this starts cracking, guys. Right there, next area will be 26.77. You have a gap fill right here, right around 26.71. And if this gives it up, guys, you're looking at this area. 25.95 and then 25.53, and that could just, I mean, look at these two long candles, guys. We get two long candles like that, we'll be right there. These were daily candles. You get a flash crash, we'll be at 2,500. And at 2,500, guys, I'll step up for a couple minutes here. That's it. All right, guys, I am out of the queues. I sold my last position on that at 619, got my 100%, and I'm done. I got to type it out here. Sold Q puts at 619. This position is closed. I'm not going to mess around. I got my 100% in a day. Done. So my members will get out. Right now it's at 610 or so, a little bit lower. Got as high as 629. I'm done. I'm not going to. With the earnings tomorrow and AMD going on after hours, that's it. I got out half of my SPY. I'm out of my Qs completely now, and I'm good with that. I don't care. Don't care right now. MU. Yeah, I mean, we're holding. We're getting a little bit of a bid. I just hate this. Next thing you know, we're flying up. You know, and I know. You know what? I got 100% in a day. I'll take that every day. So, all right, let's see here. MU. Yeah, MU, man, they're just killing. Everyone laughed. I did a video about a week ago, and I was giving these levels out. Lower levels, that is. Right here was first one, 37. Next one is 34, and everyone was laughing at me. Down she goes, guys. She had a nice little bottoming tail, though. This is the weekly. It could be saved, guys. MU, yeah, I gotta wait. I like the $28 area. Look at that. We were short here. We shorted here. We shorted here. Damn. We should have just ended up here and just saved it. So yeah, getting killed. Look at that. Good support there. Let's see the monthly. Remember, the monthly was stretched. Let's see if we're hitting. Yeah, look at that. We hit that, kissed it, bounced right back in. Crap. This is good support. If AMD has good earnings, man, this could pop. But the thing is, with the markets being weak, if the markets dump, I don't care what anything has. But I like the fact, here's where you hit, you retrace down, you caught this bottom here. Look at, made a low, higher low. Look at this. Look at that trend. And then you took off. You hit this. I mean, you went right through that area this time, but which was what resistance will become support again. So this, wow, look at this fall, though. Man, I want to stick a fib from this. I want to stick it from a bigger area here, because this thing's coming down with a vengeance. Yeah, 618 there. Yeah, I got to wait. Damn it. If you guys want to take a spec play on MU off of AMD, not a bad area, not the best. You have some pretty good selling today, which could lead to lower prices. I'm not doing it, but if some of you guys have itchy trigger fingers, yeah, I got to wait for 28, 29, even 30 right in here. And if it goes through, you're going to 23. My video. I got an email going, you're saying what with this one? And I think it was right here around 45, and I was telling everybody 37. You have a gap fill here at 32, and they're like, 32? You're nuts. No, I'm not looking too crazy at this point. But yeah, I mean, this is what we're looking at right here. Jeez. For me, I'm not touching it. We were short. I'll be looking for longs down in here. I got to be with the wind, with the back of the sail, especially if these all go up. Of course, our Qs puts are going up, but I don't care. I'm in the SPY put still. I really don't want to hang around till tomorrow. I'd rather take my money and run. I don't like to be a pig anymore. Or try not to be. How about that? But you guys know it's hard to be a pig, not to be a pig. I can make more. I really can. Next thing you know, they're taking all your money. Damn, there it goes. Look at that. Darn it. 652 now. I got out at 619. What are you going to do? For all you guys who held this trade, not unlike me, start dumping. You're over 100% up. All right, let's take a look at our SPY. SPY's doing good. That's why I'll stick with the SPY trade. I'm in a half a position. If I get my butt kicked, won't be bad. We still made money on all this other stuff. So let's see here. What else are we looking at? 3M's come getting smashed. Look at 3M too. Another one. Oh, look at 3M though. Weekly chart. Wow. Wow. Oh, I like that. But man, after these long bars, I'm gonna have to look down here, or even here. Damn, look at that. What about the monthly? Wow, monthly even at 50. Oh, this could be a good. Wow. SPY's dumping now, though. God, Qs are dumping too, you little SOB. You little SOB. Look at that. I sell 3 minutes later. Damn. Eat that. Like I tell my members, story of my life. These things are at 662 now. Wow. See, that's what I'm saying. You can't look at Google. Google's trying to hold, maybe with earnings it holds. Everything, guy. Facebook's at the lows, Nvidia's at the lows, Amazon at the lows, Apple at the lows, BA not at the lows, but trying. Wow. IWM, Qs, everything at the lows. Dow's down 380, confirming downtrend is intact. Told my members earlier in the day, if this stays intact, we could get a sell-off towards the end of the day. Woo! Everybody having fun now? All right, so now we're looking at our SPY puts. At least me and my members. We're at 472 now on these. We sold half the position at 465. So we're up a little bit from that point. They're trying to, stall this thing out, deplete the puts. Everyone's buying it. Now everyone's selling the SPY, buying puts now. I wouldn't doubt we get a big reversal towards the end of the day. Wow, I got to look at some other trades here, guys. Look for any green names, guys. Fizz is green today. Come still coming back down. Look at that fall. Same thing, guys. Shorted here, shorted there, shorted here. Pulling back again. Amazon support. Look at that. Amazon, see that? Lows. See what I'm saying? Is it Manish? If you don't get the SPY and everything going up, everything's going lower. Got to be real. Got to line it up with the indexes. Indexes dump, everything's going lower, guys. All right, we're at, gosh, where are these? Where are these Qs? I gotta look back, right? Yeah, 656 now. Last one that went off on these Qs. But again, like I said, I'll take the 100%. Oh, well. Damn, story of my life, though, guys. Every time I take trades off, every time I cover something or sell something, guys, just hold on to it for another 10 minutes. Damn it. It's pretty much happens here. All right, guys, so let's see here. Again, everything's pulling back a little bit here. Got to keep an eye on all this stuff. Here, give me a minute, guys. I got to go to the bathroom. Hold on. If you guys want me to look at anything, just punch up a symbol. Let me know if you want to go long or short. I'll get back. I'll take a look at stuff. All right, guys, I'm back. All right, so not too much happened. Puts are at 480 now. I'm eating a granola bar, so bear with me. I'm starving right now. I'm going to eat lunch soon. All right, guys, so catching a little bit of a bid now. Uncle Jerome's had enough. See if they push this thing up. Yeah, look at that. Someone's coming in saving the day. Wow. Oh my gosh. I don't know. We're going to see if this selling comes in. Let's look at these candles, guys. So we go straight up and then just more selling pressure on a confirming downtrend. Straight up again. More selling pressure with a confirming downtrend. But what areas are we hitting here? Let's look at the daily. Yeah, see, we're hitting these lower levels now. Ooh, we did hit that area. That was the next area. I still like gap fill here, though. Let's put that in there. There's your gap fill. We just hit that bottom right here of this candle. Let me put that in a little better. That was the next area we talked about. Will it hold? I don't know. Some buyers coming in here. Buy the dippers. Can't take it anymore. Ah, look at that. They still came right back in. Oh, man, there's a sell. There's probably one institutional seller. Oh, here we go, guys. If you remember, get ready. We're going to be taking off these puts on the SPY if we start flushing. My gosh, Amazon and Google have to save the day. Amazon too. If those don't have good earnings, guys, we're going to flush on Friday. And maybe I should have sold a quarter position. Damn it. I should have held a quarter. All right, guys, if I sell another position out of my SPY puts, I'm only going to sell a quarter, and I'm going to hold a quarter until Friday. Ooh, look at this, guys. We're selling. So the delay isn't that bad today. Let's see. Yeah, still delayed a little bit. Wow, guys, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. All right, these puts are at $5 now. We got them at 275. Let's see if we could get one more flush. Here's your next level. Next level will be 266.89. That's coming off that little pivot we talked about. Won't be the best, but if we start flushing, guys, well, no, gap fill. Gap fill, and then the next area will be 265. That's where I might step up if this thing does, look at PM coming in. Look at Google. That's why I did not want to do that trade, or Amazon. Can't do it. Market's flush. It's done. That's why I try to protect my people. Guys, $30 a month. Come and join. Let's do this. Let's get about 700-800 people looking at stocks, and we'll rip this market apart. All right, 518 on these options now. I'm gonna eat some more food, guys. Excuse me. Nice, guys. Look at that. We're gonna fill the gap. Look at the volume come in too, guys. Look at that candle with 10 seconds left. If you are long in these markets, be very, very careful right now. We could see a complete sellout all the way to the end. Confirming downtrend. We're down 439 on the Dow. 257 on the Qs. Oh my gosh, where are these Qs? Damn, I sold them too. Killing me. Killing me. Qs 173. They're almost $7 now. Die. You little cranker. 515. Come on, don't tell me they're gonna look at that, Uncle Jerome. Uncle Jerome, you need the gap fill to push it. If it hits that, there's gonna be buyers there. Actually, probably a pure sub. Wow, sellers coming in, guys. Be very, very careful. You guys having fun here? All right. All right, here we go. Gap fill might be filled. All right, guys. We get a little bit more on these SPY puts. I'm going to sell another quarter. That'll be it. I have good size positions in here, guys. Don't get me wrong. The bigger your account, the more you can trade. Put it that way. Wow, look at that, though. Hold on, I want to see some other names here. I want to see MCD. MCD had good earnings. Barely making it. What was the other one yesterday? MCD Verizon. Verizon's holding in, but look at that. It's pulling back now, too. What else? Tesla. Tesla's holding up. BA. That's not helping the matter. Look at BA falling apart. But they had good earnings. It's BA. Remember that? Remember that line? But it's BA. Oh, my gosh. All right, guys. They're trying to hold it. Sellers coming in, though. Volume's coming in pretty good. 110 million with a half hour left. All right. Wow, unbelievable. Dang it. Sell the Qs, and this is what I get. Oh, I was going to sell a quarter, but man, I like money. I like winning, guys. Just another winning trade for us. G long. Yeah, you got to wait. Guys, you got to wait. Even MU. Is MU coming in again now? MU is looking weak. Is this thing coming in? Yeah, look at that. Still going lower. Look at that. SPY sells, everything sells. What happens? Everything's going lower. And that's the problem with the bulls. They're all confused now that they could buy the dip, but if the markets, the SPY and everything go lower, it's not going higher. Unless earnings or some news comes out, of course. But look at that, though. Man, still weak. Let's go back to the SPY. Almost at gap fill, guys. 266.89. I don't know if that's exact number. Let me see. Dang, look at this sell right here. 266.92. 266.92. That's the official gap. So we'll be looking for that. All right, guys. I sold half of the half of my sold SPY, half of the half at 520. I'm not just gonna screw around. At 520, holding only quarter position now. These markets are too up and down. I'm not gonna mess around anymore. That's it. All right, so I'm holding a quarter position now in the SPY, and that's it. Qs I dumped, unfortunately. Qs are just ripping heads off now. $7 these options are now. Oh, I sold it 6, whatever, 19. Unbelievable. 530 now on the SPY. With gap fill coming up, the markets are just too erratic. I'm going to take the money and say thank you very much. If this pops up to 6, then I'll be out of the SPY completely. Well, no, I'll see if we pop tomorrow on the earnings. All right, guys, we're kissing the 267 even number now. Damn, look at this. Wow. SPX down 66, comps down 264, Dow's down 478. Unbelievable. All right, guys, we're filling the gap right now. I don't know if we're going to bounce here. If some of you guys got some big balls, you could take this trade. I am not touching it. This action I've seen before where they just dump it into the close doesn't mean we can pop and it just continue going up into the close. I'm staying away. We have a definite confirming downtrend, and it's getting ugly. Hold on, guys. I think someone's at my door. Damn, hold on. All right, sorry, guys. Wow. All right, where are we now? 530. Yeah, it's pulling back a little bit. Getting or the options are pulling back a little bit, I should say. We're getting a little bit of a bounce, though, guys. Look at that, though. So we hit the gap. We would have pulled it off at 90, so we would have been up 40 cents, 45 cents, 50 cents. Yeah, that was a trade. I'm not going to take it, though. They could have easily have flushed it, but you're going to get a bounce off that area, especially coming off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Even number, gap fill, a little bit oversold. But man, let me tell you, if this thing goes straight down again, guys, there is a seller in this market, period. Just let it go. So 530 was the high on those options. Man, Amazon's coming in. Gosh. All right, about 25 minutes left of the market. Going to go into earnings on some of these big players. Be careful in these markets, guys. If these have weak earnings and Google and Amazon hit, I'm hoping for a bounce tomorrow, and I'll put on some more put positions again. Or maybe, we got Apple, we got a lot of the big names next week. You got NVIDIA just getting hammered, guys, hammered. So just be careful in these markets, please. That's funny. StockTwits I love StockTwits. Look at the bounce now, guys. Darn it. Damn. Nice bounce, though. That was the level. That was it. Look at that. Hit it to almost to the penny. A 60, 70 cent bounce. Damn. Now those the puts that we sold at 520, they're at 490 now. Maybe I'll rebuy them and save 30 cents. Sometimes I'll do that. I'm leaving it alone, guys. I'm still in it. I'm still in a quarter position, and I'm going to hold. I don't care. Right now, I'm in the driver's seat. If it go down a little bit more, great. I'll take the profits. All right, guys. What a day. What a day. All right. And then let's see what else. PM, they're trying to hold that one up. Amazon, right back to the lows. Gosh, we could sell off. Still intact, the downtrend. I got to make sure my people know that I'm out. Most of the SPY and the Qs. All right, guys. They're trying to hold it here. That good area, though, for a bounce on an oversold condition, guys. And I wouldn't doubt they try to get it above the 268.61, the low of the day, yesterday. That's almost the goal here, guys. They almost have to. Look at the volume coming in, too, on this candle. We have 116 million now. It's going to be a bull and bear fight, guys. This is the area you're going to watch for if they could get it above here. If they get it above there, then they could probably catch a bid and possibly go up tomorrow. Gosh. You got big balls, buy some calls. I'm not touching that. I'm sitting on my hands right now, guys. I'm not going to mess around with this. Yeah, we get a nice flush job like that. Guys, if you're new to the room, just punch up a symbol. We'll take a look at some stuff unless we start flushing again. Then we'll look at the next level. Man, if they come in and start dumping again, we can have an ugly, ugly close here, guys. Damn. Well, at least I'm in the. I wanted to do a quarter. Damn it, to hold a quarter in the Friday. What was I thinking? Well, I guess I'm thinking just take the money and run. That's what I was thinking. Just get the hell out and say thank you. And of course, every time I do. But Amazon at lows, Google's trying to hold, NVIDIA's almost there, Facebook's at lows, PM's starting to pull back, Boeing pulling back, Apple at lows. Wow. Nothing's good in the markets right now, guys. I mean, but, if they have earnings tomorrow, these markets will fly. But wow. Love it, though. Love it for us. Quick, we bought calls on that one last big thing, got paid. We're buying puts now. Put a couple swing shorts on here. Going on earnings, guys. If any of these pop on earnings, we're going to short them. AMD pops, we'll add to that one too. Markets are going lower, guys. Period. Just a matter of time. I mean, it's not. I mean, it could grind lower. It's usually staircase up, elevator down, but it could. We're going to see right now. Wow. There is a seller in these markets, guys. They're trying though. Look at the volume that came in on this candle trying to save it. But see, the volume came in because a lot of technical traders are taking that trade. For me, I mean, you would have got a good bounce, 60 cents. That would have been nice. 1,000 shares, boom, boom, $600 in 5 minutes. Take that every day. But if they hold this, then we could go higher. We get back below this and it starts going, then, gosh, 265, 264, then you're just looking at even numbers at that point. Tesla coming back in a little bit. Earnings, I guess, today, which is just amazing. Hey, we're going to bump it up a week. And then, surprise. But hey, we got out of that trade today, though. That was awesome. All right, guys, look at that. Almost a buck bounce from that level. Damn. Well, I hope if one of you guys took it, protect it. You remember, they're going to try to get it back above this area here. That's got to be the goal. They don't want it to close below this low. If it does, that's going to be weak for this market. That's 268.61. Look at that. Dollar bounce. Wow. Almost a dollar. Damn. Well, at least I know I picked off a good level. Didn't take the trade. Just couldn't do it. I had some good profits today. I don't want to give anything back. Don't really care. But yeah, but when you start selling, you got good volume, hit good level, you could get the bounce. Doesn't mean that a big seller might come right back in and bring it down because now everyone's saying, oh man, here it is. Oh, got to buy the dip. And then all of a sudden, boom, the seller comes in again. Say if you got 30 million shares of this SPY, would you sell, you know, at the low or would you sell a buck higher? And that's the way I'm looking at stuff. It's coming right back in though. Not bad though. Not a bad little push. All right, see if that seller comes in again. Yeah, these options are going off at 471 now. All right, that makes me feel a little better. Maybe I'll buy it back again and get a little bit cheaper. Cost average my position up now. So the ones that I took off at 420 or 520, I could pick up at 480 right now. Yeah, it's just not, I'm not going to do it, but all right, let's see what it gives us. Man, look at that. Selling pressure's right back in. Q's coming down. DIA's coming down. Amazon's at the lows. Apple's coming in a little bit more. Damn. All right, guys. Let's see what this gives us. Wow, right back down. Holy cow. So where really you get to stall out, the retrace, then the fall, then they're trying again. Uh-oh, here we go, guys. Right down to 267 again. Sellers coming in. We got 5 minutes left of this candle. We have almost the same volume as the last candle. Someone's coming in and dumping. Someone's not going to mess around anymore. Wow. 442 on the Dow. Next level, guys. Wow. Let's see. Let's go to the weekly. Let's see if we can see anything on the weekly. Yeah, I mean, this is it. This is huge. Next area, about 265. And if that gives out, gosh, we're going right back down, guys. I'm looking at 265 now. Look at that short-term bounce in and out, right? Wow, SPY options right back to 520. Damn, I should have bought them, right? Holy cow. The bull and the bear fight right here, guys. Bears are taking over, though. Volume comes in. We got 124 million on the day with 15 minutes left. So 125 million with 15 left. Let's see what we do. And we're at the lows again. We're testing the lows. Did we make a new low? Not yet. 96. Ooh, they're holding 267, even number as well. Wow. Got my little Windows thing going on. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Ooh, we cracked it. Let's see what these guys are gonna do. Oh man, this is getting ugly now. Getting ugly, getting ugly. People are starting to freak. And see, when you have the right size positions, you go in a couple different trades, nice, slow, and easy. It makes everything easier, guys. I'm out of all my puts except for a quarter of my put. My SPY put, they're at 535 was the high. I'm still in them. Wow. Will they dump at the last 10? They're going to have to. They're going to dump at the last 10 minutes, and everyone's head's going to pop off. And then tonight it will be markets in turmoil tonight at 7. 4 days ago it was Kramer, buy the dip, everything's fine. This is where you want to do it. I mean, still though, guys, tomorrow's earnings is going to drive these markets as well as some stuff tonight too. If Microsoft comes in weak, Visa comes in weak, and AMD comes in weak, that's not going to help the matter, let me tell you. Gosh, look at this. Oh, we're going to dump it out. If you were long in that trade, get the hell out. You know, you got your buck bounce and then boom, right back down. Look at that. Look at the volume on that candle, guys. 6 million so far. Wow. Woo! We're having fun now, aren't we? Well, we are because we're short. So next area will be about 265 right there. Let's take it out. Let's do this. Oops. All right, I'm going to push that there. So next area, you got a little bit of a pivot right here, right around 265.19. But I'm going to say round number 265. You got to get a pierce of it. I'll put it here anyways. But really, we have nothing until there. Wow, look at this. Jeez. 542 on these options. 550 now on these options. Nice. Come on, push me to 6 and I'll. I don't want to be a pig. Oh, look at Amazon and Google, guys. This is why we didn't want to go long for a quick trade. See what happens? SPY comes in. Look what happens, guys. Getting smashed. Down she goes. Damn. I got to post something. Look out below. Woo! We might get to 265 today, guys. Look at that last candle. 7. Oh my God, like 9 million. Oh, there is a seller, guys. And he is selling. It might be one small hedge fund, an institutional player. You get 2 or 3 institutional players, guys, we'll be at 250 by the end of the day. Damn, 567 on these options now. Woo! So we're almost up 100% in our SPY puts now. What can you ask for, guys? 2 trades, SPY puts, Qs puts, over 100% in one day. That would have paid for your year membership. 554 now on these puts. Damn. Oh, they're gonna have to try something here, guys. Uh-oh, Uncle Jerome's coming in. We get the seller to keep selling, though. They're gonna take it right down. Yeah, jeez. Almost 504 on the Dow now. Damn. 50 on the Russell, 72 on the SPX. Oh my gosh. Holy cow, guys. And then we're going lower. Woo! We're having fun now, aren't we? Where are these Qs? I don't even want to look. Where are my Q puts? I sold way too early again. Gosh, almost $8. Ay, ay, ay. We sold it 620, I think it was, and now they're almost at 8. Ay. Story of my life. But hey, we take profits here at StockBookie and move along. So I try to protect my people and just keep this thing going. Wow, look at this, though. Could we dump to 265? Oh, my gosh. All right, guys, I'm going to leave you at this. If you're members with me, follow me on Twitter. We're going to look at some intraday or after-hours action with Visa, Tesla, and Microsoft. Try to get some trades off on that one. Come join me, become a member. It's $30 a month. Like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, all that good stuff. Watch 265. That's another big area. If that cracks, you know what? We could go a hell of a lot lower, guys. If you are long in these markets, just be careful. For all we know, we could dump out tomorrow and Friday, and it will get super, super ugly. But for now, thanks again for stopping by, watching my live session. Look for more of them on StockTwits or YouTube. And for my private guys or my members, we'll be doing some more personal ones too as well. All right, guys, thanks again for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. God bless. See you on the charts.